Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve practice set 3.2 question number 4 of chapter polynomial. So here what is the question? Multiply the given polynomial is given. So we have term 2x and x square minus 2x minus 1. So we have to multiply this both term. So I am writing here first solution. Okay, 2x, it's a monomial. Okay, multiply with x square minus 2x minus 1, that is binomial. So here this will get multiplied with this, we will get 2x cube minus again 2 to the 4x square, again minus 2x multiplied by 1 will get 2x. We got the answer of question number 1. Now we are moving towards 2, the second one. Here the second question is given, x is to 5 minus 1, and the second equation is what? And x cube plus 2x square plus 2. So we have to multiply both this. So I am writing in bracket first 5x, x is to 5 minus 1 multiply by x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, so I am writing here as you can see we have two terms. So we will write here x5, inside that x cube plus 2x square plus 2, again this minus 1 here, again the same equation inside the bracket we are going to write, then we have to multiply both. So here x into x and the power, the degree get add. So here x 8 will come, plus again when multiply with this both we will get 2x, this get add, 5 plus 2 is 7, again plus sign, again this will multiply with x is to 5 multiply with 2, we will get 2x is to 5. Okay, again minus sign is here, then 1 is multiply, minus 1 is multiply with x cube, we will get minus x cube, again sign will change, minus plus minus, again 1 2 the 2x cube, again the sign will change, minus 2 will come. So we got the answer of question number 2. I am writing third one. Question is what? 2y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. We have to multiply both. So I am writing here 2y, again this whole trinomial will come inside the bracket, minus 2y cube plus 3y, again this plus 1 will come here, again the same bracket will continue, y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. I will multiply this both, then we'll get 2y cube because square and 1 y both will become cube, minus again this both multiply will get 4y cube, again plus, again 2 3s are 6 y square, again the plus sign will come, one into y square, minus again 1 will multiply with minus 2y cube, we will get minus 2y cube plus 1 3, so 3y. Okay, now here we will write Now here, as you can see, after multiplying we will get 4. Okay, minus 4y is to 4 it is. So here the first, the biggest, we will write in the correct terms. So we will take first minus 4y is to 4, again plus cubes, that is 2y cube, again minus 2y cube, plus 6y square plus y square, then plus 3y. We have written in correct order. First is what? Minus 4y is to 4, then plus 2y cube, then we have taken square, then the single one. So I am writing here minus 4y is to 4 plus, here this minus plus will get cancelled, then we'll get 7y square plus 3y. We got the answer in trinomial. See, question number 5 is given. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and write the answer in the form. So what is question given? We have to divide. Okay, the terms are given just like binomial x cube minus 64 and x minus 4 is given. So first we will write the index form of polynomial before writing this. So I am writing here solution. So what is given? X cube minus 64 is given. So we will write in the index form of polynomial, that is x cube minus 64 equal to x cube plus 0 x square plus 0x plus minus 64 will come. Okay, we have written the missing term. We have written the between missing terms. Whatever the missing in between we have written here. So now this equation will come inside this. So I am writing 0 x square plus 0x minus 64. Okay, now this division is little bit different than what we do every time because it is a polynomial. So here, as you can see, x minus 4 is given. We have to divide with x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Okay, so step by step I am going to show how to do this. So here, as you can see, what is given? First x cube is given and we are having x here. So we have to divide both this. So I am showing here how to do. See, x cube means x and x, 3 times x upon x. Okay, so when we divide, this both get cancelled, only x square remain here. So this x square we will write here. Okay, so when we multiply x with x square, what we will get? We will get x cube. Okay, now this both are having plus sign, so we will write minus, the sign will change. Okay, already in division we do minus, so here the sign will change, again minus will come. Now this plus and this minus will become cancel, so this equation get cancel here. Now as you can see, again we are having minus 4 here. So we have to multiply minus 4 with x square. Okay, we have to multiply x square with minus 4. So after multiplying this, we will get what? We will get 4x. 4x square. Okay. Now here we can write this 4x square as minus, because minus is there, so minus 4x square. And again subtract. Now here again, since we are subtracting, the sign will change here. It will become plus. Okay, so what we will get here? There is no value of 0, so we will get here 4x square, and the remaining will come as it is down. I hope you understood. We first divide both here. Okay, then after division we get x cube. As you know that x multiplied by x square, we will get x cube. Okay, again we have whatever we got, this x square, we multiply with minus 4, then we get minus 4x square, which we have written here. And after that, since we have changed the sign, we got 4x square here. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now again you can see here we are having 4x square. Again we have to multiply 4x square with x. So I am writing 4x, 2x will come because square is it. So again here this x will come here. So again this 2x will get cancelled and we are getting 4x. Okay, we are getting 4x, then we will write here plus 4x, and 4x multiplied by 4x, we will get 4x square. Okay, again both are positive, we have to subtract, and here also the sign will change. Okay, since we are doing subtracting, here, so it will, the sign get change. Okay, I hope you are understanding here. Now next step, as you can see, we have already divide 4x square with x. Now what is remaining? Minus 4 is remaining, which we have to multiply with 4x. Okay, when we will multiply 4x with minus 4, this we have to multiply. Okay, so what we will get? We will get minus 16x we will get. Okay, here we will get minus 16x. I hope you are understanding. Please follow the steps one by one here. Now again, since we are subtracting, the sign will again here change, it will become positive. Now here also 0 plus minus minus, minus plus minus, then here sign of positive will come. Now there is no need, but I am writing so that you should understand. Now we will get 16x. Again this minus 64 as it is we are writing here. Now you can see that here we got trinomial, 3 terms. Here we got binomial, two terms. Okay, now again, as you can see, again we have to just to see what is given here. Term 16x is given. Now this we have to divide with again with x. So I am writing here 16x upon x. The both x will cancel. What we got? We got plus 16 here. So I am writing here plus 16. Okay. I hope you are understanding. When we multiply x with 16, we will get what? 16x. Okay. Now again, the next step is what? We have to, what we got? We got 16 here. Now we have to multiply 16 with minus 4. Okay. After multiplying with minus 4, we will get 64, and that also minus 64 we will get. Okay, we'll get minus 64. Then I'm taking here 4, 16, 64. Here again the sign will change, here minus, here plus. Now minus plus 0 will come. I hope you understood the steps. The first steps we have done this division, then whatever we got questioned here we have multiplied both. In the second step what we have done, we have, when we got this 4x square, again 4x square divided by x. Okay, when we got that 4x, we multiply 4x with 4. Okay, I hope you are understanding. In the third step 16x we got, then after 16x we got, we divide first with x, and whatever answer we got here as a quotient, then we multiply this with 4, then we get 64. So we have solved this equation. So I am writing here, what is the dividend here? Dividend is x cube, therefore dividend is x cube minus 64 equal to, next what is divisor? It is x minus 4 again. Now quotient is what? Quotient we got x cube plus 4x plus 16 and remainder is 0. We have solved this equation. The next question is what? 5x is to 5 plus 4x is to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x plus 2, and we are having divisor as a x square minus x. Okay, now here if you won't understand question number 1, please try to concentrate in this step. I hope you will understand. So I am writing here what is given here, x square minus x is given. Now here as you can see here 5x is to 5 is there, so we are writing here we have to divide this with x square. So I am showing here how to do that. 5x, 5 times x will come. Okay, again up down 2x will come because it is x square, then this 2x will cancel and we will get what? 5x cube we will get. Okay, so here I am writing 5x cube. Okay, now 5x square multiply by 5x cube means we will get what? 5x is to 5. Okay, now here also the sign will change, we'll get minus. Since we are subtracting means the sign will going to be change. Okay, now this step we have done, we have divided this with this. Now again we have to multiply with this 5x cube with minus x. So I am doing here multiplication, that is minus x. Okay, then we will get what? Minus 5x is to 4. We got this. So with this we will write here minus 5x is to 4. Here again the sign will change. It will become plus. Okay, now a plus plus means 9x is to 4. Answer will come. Again the remaining equation as it is we have to write. Plus 0x plus 2. Now again the second step, as you can see, we got what? 9x is to 4. So this again we have to divide with x square. So I am doing here 9x, 4x will come upon 2x, then this will cancel. Then what we will get? We will get 9x square. Okay, so again this 9x square will come here plus 9x square. Okay, after getting this, when we multiply x square with 9x square, we will get 9x is to 4. Here again the sign will change. Okay, the minus it will become. I am not writing the both plus plus because you already know that both are positive, and as we are subtracting the sign is going to be change here. Now again next step is what? We have done this step. Now 9x square will get multiplied with x, that is minus x. Then we will get what? Minus 9x cube. Cube why? Because 1x is here, so it will become 9x minus 9x cube. So we will write here minus 9x cube. Again here sign will change. Okay, this is going to be cancel this both, and here we will get minus plus minus, then here plus 6x cube will come. Okay, the sign change means the bigger number sign is what? Plus. So we are writing minus 6x cube. The remaining equation as it is, it will come plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. I hope you are understanding. Now again, as you can see, the first equation, first term is what? 6x cube. Now again the 6x cube, 6x 3 times upon 6 square means 2x. This will get cancelled and we will get 6x here. So I am writing here plus 6x will come here. Okay, now again this 6x will get multiplied with minus x. So we will get minus 6x square. Okay, now first what we will do? X square multiply by 6x means we will get 6x cube. Okay, after that the sign will change minus. Again this both will get cancelled. Now next step is what? We got, after multiplying this both, we got minus 6x square. So we are going to write here minus 6x square. Here again the sign will change. Okay, now here plus plus means plus will come, so we will get 8x square. Again the remaining term we have to write as it is. Okay, so I am writing. So as you can see here we got trinomial. Here we got trinomial. Okay, now next step, what we got here? Now we got 8x square. So again we have to multiply this, okay, with x square. Okay, so I am going to multiply 8x, that is 2x upon x. 1 both get cancelled. 2x, we got here 8, then plus 8 will come here. I hope you are understanding. When we multiply this both, x square multiply by 8, we will get 8x square. Okay, and again here sign will change. Minus will come, plus minus, both get cancelled. Okay, now we have to multiply this 8 with minus x. Then we will get minus 8x. Okay, so I am writing here minus 8x. Again here sign will change, plus will come, the sign is get changed. Now here we'll get 8x plus 2. So we got again 8x. If we divide 8x with, if we divide 8x with x square, means 2x, so both x will cut, then the answer will come as a numerator and denominator, so it is not correct. So we are not going for further division. So here we got the answer as we got the remainder as 8x plus 2. So I am writing answer here. So here the answer is, first will become dividend, that is, therefore answer is 5x. X is to 5 plus 4, x is to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x cube plus 2 equal to divisor, that is x square minus x, and quotient x, 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8, and remainder will come plus 8x plus 2. We got the answer for question number 2. What is question given? Write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. So rectangle with length 2a square plus 3b square meter is given, and breadth is a square plus b square meter is given. A farmer used a square shaped plot of farm to build a house. Okay, the side of the plot was a square minus b square meter. So what is the area of remaining part of the farm? This is our question. We have to find the solution for it. So I am writing here. So here length is L equal to 2a square plus 3b square. This is the length, and here b, that is breadth, is given a square minus b square. So first we will find the area of rectangle. We are going to find of farm. So here length into breadth will come. So I am writing here equation. What is given? The first length is given 2a square plus 3b square. Again the second breadth is given a square plus b square. Okay, here plus is there, plus b square. This is our breadth. Now here we'll multiply both. So I am doing that. 2a square inside the bracket, a square plus b square. Again this remaining term will come here, plus 3ab square. Again the same bracket will repeat here, a square plus b square. Now this will get multiplied with this, then we will get answer as a 2a is to 4 plus again 2a square multiplied by b square will be 2a square and b square. Again the plus sign will come. Again this will get multiplied with this, so we will get 3a cube and b square. Okay. Now here this is not, no, a is not there, here 3b square is there. So here 2 a square and b square will come. Again plus, again 3b square will get multiplied with b square, means we will get 3 b is to 4. Okay, now next step will be, as you can see here, 2a is to 4 plus 2a square b square is given, plus 3a square b square plus 3 b is to 4 is given. Now we will write this in bracket. So I am writing here 2a is to 4 plus this both will get add, then we will get 5a square b square plus 3b is to 4 as a meter square. Now again the next step will be, therefore the next step is the area of square shape plot. Okay, that is length square equal to a square minus b square. So here a square minus b square will be a square minus b square into a square minus b square. So now here again a square, inside this a square minus b square will come, again this minus b square here it will come, again the same bracket will repeat here. Now we will get a into a square into a square will be a4, then again minus a square into b square, a square b square, again minus, again this both multiply will get again a square b square, again minus we will get b plus will become, it will minus minus plus, then b is to 4. Now after this again next step will be a is to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b is to 4 meter square. So now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So what is given? We have to find the remaining area of part of farm. So this both equation we are going to subtract. So subtract first equation with second. So here I am writing 2a4 is to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b is to 4 minus a is to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b is to 4. Now we have to subtract first equation with second. So now I am doing that. So first we will write 2, we will remove the bracket first. 2a is to 4 plus 5a square b square, as it is we have to write, plus 3b is to 4 minus a is to 4, again here minus minus will become plus, again 2a square b square, again minus plus will become minus b is to 4. Again next step will be 2a is to 4, again we have to write this in correct term. So after 2a is to 4 we have to write minus a is to 4 plus 5a square b square, again plus 2a square and b square will come, then plus 3b is to 4 minus b is to 4. Now again the next step will be, as you can see, this will become minus, so we will get a is to 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 7a square and b square plus here 3b is to 4 minus with b is to 4, we will get 2b is to 4. This is our meter square. So therefore the area of the remaining part of the form is a is to 4 plus 7 a square b square plus 2b is to 4 meter square. We got the answer for question number 6. So I hope you understand 3.2. Practice it and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.